Boys and girls, I'm here to work on guided fact practice 92A with you if you would like some help going through it. I know these problems are getting pretty tough, so I'm here to work through it with you if you want. So you will need a ruler and a pencil to complete this page with me. Okay, so first, for your name, you'll need to draw a 3-inch line segment. Starting at the very end of your ruler. Whoops, I'm at the 17 end. I'm going to try to make it as straight as you can, line it up with the guided fact practice part. Stop when you get to the 3. Take your ruler away and put a dot to stop the line. Date 2.5-inch line segment. So starting at the dot, go 2, and then halfway to the 3. Pull your ruler away, use a dot to stop the line. Then you'll write your name and date on the top. Great. So number 1. Marcia counted the tiles and put them in groups of 10. When she finished, she counted 3 groups of tiles. Draw a picture to show the tiles. Draw a picture to show the tiles. So here's what we have to do. How many tiles do we need to draw? Let's reread. Marcia counted the tiles and put them in groups of 10. So we know we're going to have to draw groups of 10. Do we know how many? Let's keep reading. When she finished, she counted 3 groups of tiles. So 10 in each group, and there's 3 groups of them. So let's draw 10 in each group. To make it easier on myself, I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to draw 2 rows of 5 to make it easy. So that's one group. I'm going to circle my groups. One group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check. That's 2 groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, I have groups of 10, 10, 10, 10, and I have 3 total groups of tiles. 1, 2, 3. Check. Marcia has blank groups of blank tiles. How many groups does she have? 1, 2, 3 groups, just like it says here. 3 groups of, how many are in each group? 10 tiles. Groups of 10. So they're groups of 10. How many tiles does she have now? What can we count by to figure out how many? 10, 20, 30. Remember, 3 groups of 10 is the same thing as saying 3 times 10 equals 30. Moving on down to number 2. Put these numbers in order from least to greatest. Circle the number that is between 25 and 45. So we'll do this part after we put the numbers in order. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers, and they all only have 2 digits. So we always look at the digit all the way to the left, which is the tens column here. We have 70, 40, 20, 70, 30. What's the smallest? 7, 4, 2, 7, 3. 24 is definitely the smallest. And then what comes next? 7, 4, 7, 3. 3. So 38 is the next smallest. And next we have 7, 4, 7. What comes next? The 4. We have 47. And then these last two numbers we have 71, 78. Both numbers have a 7 in the tens column. So that means we need to look at the ones column. 1 or 8? Which one's smaller? Ah, the 1. So 71 comes here. 78 goes here. Now, we've used all our numbers. We're ready for the next direction. Circle the number that is between 25 and 45. So that means it has to be bigger than 25, smaller than 45. So let's look for a number that's bigger than 25, starting at the smallest number. So is 24 bigger than 25? No, 25 is bigger than it. We need a number that is bigger than 25. What about 38? Is 38? Oh, sorry, I mixed up what I was saying. So circle the number between 25 and 45. So it has to be bigger than 25. This is not bigger than 25. Is 38 bigger than 25? Yes, it is. Let's check if it's smaller than 45. Is 38 smaller than 45? Yes, it is. So 25 would go somewhere here. 45 would go somewhere here. Because look, 45 is smaller than 47. So 38 is between these two. We would be circling 38. Sorry, that explanation got a little confusing. Number 3, find the products. Did you know that the answer to a multiplication question is a product? Now you know. So we have 9 times 10, or 9 groups of 10. We have to count by 10 9 times. Here's 9 fingers. Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Maybe you already see that and know it right away, because as you've probably noticed from the other page we did, when you're multiplying a number by 10, the 9 takes the place of this number, and the 0 stays the same. So 7 times 10. 7 groups of 10 is 10 7 times. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. The 7 takes the place of the 1. And 3 times 10. 3 groups of 10. That's 10 3 times. 10, 20, 30. The 3 takes the place of the 1. Number 4, find the differences. We need to subtract. So we start in the ones column. More on top, no need to stop. Oh, good. 9 is more than 4. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 7, 6, 5, 4. Remember to add the cent sign at the end. The next one, 51 minus 13 cents. So we're subtracting 2 digits. We have to start with the ones column, and we ask ourselves, more on top, no need to stop. More on the floor, go next door, get 10 more. 3 is bigger than 1. You can't say 1, 0. When you try to count backwards, it doesn't work. So we need to go next door. So 1 says to his friend 5, "Hey 5, can I please borrow 10? Sure. 5 tosses over one of him, and he splits in the air, becomes 10 1. So 5 becomes 4 tens, and then 1 becomes 11, because it's like putting a 1 in front of this number. So now we can solve. 11, 10, 9, 8. 4, 3. Remember to add the cent sign at the end. Good. The last one, 87 cents minus 24 cents. Subtracting two-digit numbers, we start with the ones column. More on top, no need to stop. More on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. We have more on the floor, so we need to borrow. If we have 0, we can't take 4 away. So 0 says to 8, can I borrow 10? Sure. 8 tens become 7 tens. And 0, if you add 10 with 0, you have 10. Now we're ready to subtract. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. 7, 6, 5. 56 cents. Number 5. Write the correct comparison symbol. Greater than, less than, or equal to. So, is 21 greater than 13, less than 13, or equal to 13? Our symbol needs to be eating the bigger number, and if both are the same, you put an equal sign. So which one is bigger, 21 or 13? Good. 21 is bigger, so we say 21 is greater than 13. It eats the 21. 5 plus 3, blank, 10 minus 2. To figure out what symbol goes here, we need to solve both sides. 5, 6, 7, 8. 10, 9, 8. Oh, what do you know? They're both the same. So what symbol do we use? 8 is equal to 8. And over here, again, we're missing the symbol in the middle, so we need to solve both sides to see which symbol to use. Ooh, multiplication. If we have 1 times 10, or one group of 10, that means we count to 10 one time. 10. The answer is 10. What if we have 9 plus 2? 9, 10, 11. Are these the same? No. Which one's bigger? Good, the 11's bigger, so our symbol faces the 11. We'll read that as 10 is less than 11. Good. And finally, down number 6, we are finding the sums of these 3 questions. So we always add the ones column first. I start with the biggest number. I say 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If the answer to adding these 3 is 10, I can't put a 10 in the ones column, so my 1 goes here, my 0 goes here. Now I'm ready to add the tens column. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 80 cents. Now we're ready to do 49 cents plus 33 cents. 9, so we start with the ones column. 9, 10, 11, 12. I can't put 12 down here under the ones column. 12 is 1 10 and 2 ones. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is 82 cents. And finally, this last one, we have 37 cents plus 13 cents. Start with the ones column. 7, 8, 9, 10. I can't put 10 down here, so I have to split it. A 10 is 1 10 and 0 ones. And then we go to the tens column, we say 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 50 cents. I hope you had a good time working on this page, and good luck on your math.